Hello, I'm Will, and I am an entrepreneur champion. And I have been sent to this school to help each and every single one of you, including you, and you, and even you, to find, develop, and enjoy the entrepreneur within you yourselves. Entrepreneur. The dictionary defines entrepreneur as a person who organises and manages a commercial undertaking, especially one involving commercial risk. Does everybody understand that?
No.
I didn't understand it either. So, I asked a few friends, and I think an entrepreneur is a person or a group of people that work together to create, organise, and sell an idea to make a better world for themselves and for others. Does that make a bit more sense to you?
Yes.
So, have I got any entrepreneurs in this school? Do you think you in this school are entrepreneurs? Because I do. I think that every single one of you in this school has the potential to become an entrepreneur. You just need skills to create a business. I've toured all around Wales and I found 4 people who's actually going to help me help you find the entrepreneur within you. They're called the Enterprise Troopers. Would you like to meet the Enterprise Troopers?
Yes!
Okay! Amy, she has a positive attitude. Nothing is impossible, and all ideas are worth exploring. If you're feeling down, stuck in a rut, then just let Amy help you find the right attitude that you have within yourselves. Uh-oh! It's Callum! Now, he's got some crazy, wacky ideas. His creativity is endless. He's great at thinking of different ways to present an idea. If you need a creative boost, Callum's your man to find the imagination you've all got inside yourselves. The Queen of Relationships and Networking, Criw. She'll find the right person for the right job, willing to talk to anyone and listen to their input. Communication and connections are key to business, and Rhyl can help you put these things into practice. Owain! Now he can organise anything, anywhere, anytime. He can solve a problem and logically sort any project. Don't know where something is? Ask Owain. He'll know where it is. A place for everything and everything in its place. That's what Owain can share with you. Boys and girls, these are your Enterprise Troopers. Are you ready for their challenge? Yeah! On your feet! What do we need to make the car?
Electric.
Wheels! Okay, how many wheels does the car have? Who's going to be my 4 wheels? You can be it. Let's be wheels. Let's do wheels. 1 wheel. You wheel? Okay, let's have the wheel. You're going to be a seat. Okay, seat. work together. And that's what we want you to do, is to work together. So there's 2 age groups. 5-year-olds to 7-year-olds is one age group, and the other age group is 8 to 11-year-olds. So you can both, or the whole school can compete. Now you've got to register before the 1st of November, but the closing date is the 24th of January 2014. You've got loads of ideas to come up with ideas. You've got some amazing ideas, and through this workshop you've discovered each and every single one of you have got these 4 elements. The elements of a good attitude, creativity, relationships, organisation is within each and every single one of you. And you could be the next entrepreneur of the year. My name's been Will. These are the Enterprise Troopers. And we thank you very much, and we hope to see you registering online and being a part of our